Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about subject-verb agreement. So we're going to be able to conjugate verbs correctly according to the subject. Now, a subject could be nouns or pronouns. Nouns like the girl, the boy, the teacher, the wall, the bed, the plant. And the pronouns for subjects are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now, these nouns and pronouns as subjects should agree with the action they are doing, with the verb that they are doing. Let's see some examples. He cooks every day. Now, I added the letter S to the verb cook because my subject is he. My subject is a singular male, okay? So it's a he, or I can replace it with the boy or the man or my brother or my classmate or my student or my friend. Okay, so when I have he as my subject, then I should add S to my verb. He cooks every day. The other example, she plays the piano. Now, I added S again to my verb because my subject is she. It's a singular female, like the girl, the woman, my mom, my grandmother, my friend, my teacher. So when my subject is a she, I should add S to my verb. She plays the piano. It follows its tail. For my third example, it follows its tail. Again, I added an S to my verb because my subject is it, or it could be the dog or the cat. It follows its tail. So, he, she, and it take S with the verb. They take S with the verb because they love the letter S. As for I, you, we, and they don't like the letter S. They don't want it. They don't need it. Just like the examples we have next. They work at home. We eat healthy meals. I love my students. You study hard. So in all of these sentences, I have the subjects they or we or I or you, and none of them needs the S connected or added to the verb. Of course, I can replace these pronouns with some nouns. For example, they could be replaced with my family or my team or my friends or my students or any other noun that shows that you are talking about a group of people and you are not one of these people. We could be replaced by my brother and I, my family and I, my team and I, any group of people, even if it was only two people, but you should be one of those people. I, when you're talking about yourself, of course, and you, when you are talking to someone directly, to this person, or you are talking to a group of people, addressing them, talking to them, telling them something about yourself, about them, sorry. Now, I want to remind you of something very important in subject-verb agreement because we're adding an S to the verb when we're talking about he, she, or it. So you need to remember the rules of adding S to some words because for some words it's a little bit tricky. So if you need to refresh your memory, you could copy and paste this link and watch the video again. Or you can go to my YouTube channel and look for the suffixes video. Thank you for listening.